The world of recreational vehicles has seen a massive trend toward luxury and complexity over the last decade, with trailers getting larger, heavier, and packed with more electronic gadgets than the average suburban home. However, for a dedicated community of outdoor enthusiasts, the true essence of camping has always been about simplicity and the freedom to explore without needing a heavy-duty pickup truck. This is where Scamp Trailers has stepped in to reclaim its throne with the official debut of the S-Lite, a lightweight and minimalist spin on their iconic fiberglass shells that have been a staple of the American highway for over 50 years. If you are someone who owns a small crossover, a fuel-efficient sedan, or even one of the new waves of electric vehicles, the Scamp S-Lite might just be the most important release in the RV market for 2026. To understand the brilliance of the S-Lite, one must first appreciate the legacy of the Scamp brand. Based out of Bacchus, Minnesota, Scamp has built a cult-like following by sticking to a formula that works: a two-piece fiberglass shell that is aerodynamic, incredibly durable, and virtually leak-proof. While most modern trailers are built with stick-and-tin or laminated panels that can degrade over time, a fiberglass Scamp is often a multi-generational asset. The S-Lite takes this proven foundation and optimizes it for the modern era where towing capacity is a premium. By stripping away the excess and focusing on the core essentials, Scamp has managed to create a trailer that feels like a breath of fresh air in an industry often suffocated by its own weight. From a design perspective, the S-Lite maintains the classic egg-shaped silhouette that has made Scamp a household name. This aerodynamic profile is not just for looks. It significantly reduces wind drag, which is a critical factor for drivers towing with smaller engines or those looking to preserve the range of an electric vehicle. The fiberglass construction remains the star of the show, offering a seamless exterior that laughs at heavy rain and resists the typical wear and tear that plagues traditional campers. For the S-Lite model, Scamp has refined the manufacturing process to further shave off unnecessary pounds, resulting in a dry weight that is staggering in its efficiency.
While official final numbers vary based on options, the S-Lite is designed to sit comfortably in a weight class that many competitors simply cannot reach, making it a viable option for vehicles with a towing capacity as low as 1,500 to 2,000 pounds. Stepping inside the S-Lite is like entering a masterclass in spatial efficiency and minimalist design. In a world where RV manufacturers try to cram 3 televisions and a kitchen island into 20 feet, Scamp has gone the opposite direction. The interior of the S-Lite is clean, functional, and surprisingly airy. The layout typically focuses on a convertible dinette that transforms into a comfortable bed, providing a multi-use space that feels cozy rather than cramped. Because this is the light version, you won't find a heavy, space-consuming bathroom or a massive array of heavy appliances. Instead, you get exactly what you need for a weekend in the woods: a small, efficient kitchenette with a sink, a 2-burner stove, and enough storage for your essential gear. By removing the plumbing and heavy tanks associated with a full bathroom, Scamp has not only saved weight, but also simplified the maintenance and winterization process, making this an ideal choice for first-time owners or those who prefer the simplicity of campground facilities. One of the most significant advantages of the S-Lite is its versatility in terms of where it can go. Because of its compact footprint and light weight, it can be easily maneuvered by hand into tight campsites or small driveways. You don't need to be an expert at backing up a 30-foot rig to enjoy the S-Lite. It follows your vehicle with such ease that you might forget it is even back there. This opens up a world of possibilities for travelers who want to visit national parks with size restrictions, or those who want to venture down narrower, winding back roads that would be off-limits to larger trailers. The suspension has been tuned to provide a stable ride even on less than perfect surfaces, ensuring that your mobile sanctuary arrives at the destination in one piece. The interior materials in the S-Lite have also seen an upgrade for 2026. While maintaining the durable marine-grade fabrics and easy-to-clean surfaces that Scamp is known for, the new model introduces more contemporary color palettes and improved lighting solutions.
LED fixtures are used throughout to keep power consumption to a minimum, allowing for extended stays off the grid when paired with a small solar setup. The windows are strategically placed to provide excellent cross-ventilation, taking advantage of the fiberglass shell's natural insulating properties to keep the interior comfortable in a variety of weather conditions. It is a space that feels intentional, where every cabinet and every latch has been placed with the user's experience in mind. In terms of the competitive landscape, the Scamp S-Lite stands in a league of its own.
While other small trailers like the Casita or the Happier Camper offer similar fiberglass construction, the S-Lite's focus on absolute weight reduction gives it a unique edge. It targets a specific demographic that has been largely ignored by the mainstream RV industry, the minimalist traveler. This is a car for the person who wants to spend their time hiking, fishing, or sitting by the fire, using their trailer as a safe, dry, and comfortable base camp rather than a mobile living room. It appeals to the nostalgic camper who remembers the simpler days of road trips, but it provides the modern reliability and build quality that today's buyers demand. As we look toward the future of travel, sustainability and efficiency are becoming more than just buzzwords, they are necessities. The Scamp S-Lite is a direct response to these changing times. By requiring less energy to tow and using materials that are built to last for decades, it represents a more sustainable way to enjoy the great outdoors. It is a reminder that you don't need a massive rig to have a massive adventure. Scamp has successfully taken their legendary platform and distilled it down to its purest form. The S-Lite is more than just a trailer, it is a ticket to freedom for a new generation of drivers who value experience over possessions. Whether you are a solo traveler looking for a secure way to see the country, or a couple looking to upgrade from a tent, the Scamp S-Lite offers a compelling, lightweight, and undeniably charming solution that proves that in the world of camping, sometimes less really is more.